In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Snagit for my YouTube channel. I use Snagit when I need a quick and clean screen recording for a tutorial, presentation, or demo. It's a simple workflow, and once you get used to it, it can save a lot of time when creating content. First, open TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once Snagit is open, click the capture button to begin setting up your recording. After that, switch to video mode. This is important because Snagit can capture both images and video, so you want to make sure you're in the correct mode before moving forward. Next, choose the area of your screen that you want to record. You can capture a specific window or a custom section of your display depending on what you want your viewers to focus on. It's a good idea to be intentional here because a tighter recording area often looks cleaner and keeps distractions out of the final video. Before you start recording, review your recording settings. Turn the webcam off so your face does not appear in the recording. This is useful if you want the video to stay focused entirely on the screen content. Then decide whether you want to use the microphone. If you want to record your voiceover live while demonstrating something, turn the microphone on. If you prefer to add narration later during editing, you can leave it off. Once everything is set, click record and begin creating your tutorial, walkthrough, presentation, or demonstration. As you record, try to move at a steady pace and keep your on-screen actions clear. That will make the video easier for your audience to follow and reduce the amount of editing you need afterward. When you're finished, click stop to end the recording. Snagit will then open the file in Snagit Editor where you can make quick edits. This is where I usually trim away any unnecessary sections like pauses, mistakes, or extra time at the beginning and end. After that, save the video as an MP4 file, which is a widely supported format and works well for YouTube and most editing software. Finally, you can either upload the video directly to YouTube or import it into a video editor if you want to add captions, music, transitions, or other finishing touches before publishing. That's the basic process I use with Snagit to create screen-based content for my channel, and it's a straightforward setup that works really well for fast, polished videos.